Other than that, it's bloody nice.
Hey everyone, and welcome to I'm Winging It. If you're looking for perfectly measured recipes and predictable results, you might be in the wrong place. But if you're ready to embrace the wild side of air frying, then buckle up because we're about to wing it. On this channel, we're throwing caution into the air fryer and seeing what happens. Join Rod as he experiments, improvises, and occasionally invents recipes on the fly. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these interesting creations.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing mini pizzas, but I'm going to be using English muffins. The English muffins, so we'll try them. I've had these before, but not in the air fryer. I've never cooked it in the air fryer. I've already preheated the air fryer just so that the bottom gets crispy. That's what I'm hoping. Bit of pizza sauce. A bit more on this one. Like, you can put whatever toppings you like on it. I don't like many vegetables on mine, so mine's probably going to be mainly meat. I'll do a meat lovers one. There's pepperoni, ham, Hungarian salami, onions. I've got some chili, red chili, pineapple for the Hawaiians. I don't think you should put too much toppings on because it mightn't cook. Might take a little bit of cooking. So I don't think you'd want to put too much on. Bit of barbecue sauce on this one, the meat lovers. Bit of cheese. All right. Couple bits of chili. This is just an egg. I beat it an egg in there. Put this on. Bit of egg. I reckon put it on 200 for we'll go 5 minutes. I don't know what's going to happen. We'll try 5 minutes and we'll have a look. Let's see how they went. Oh yeah, they look done. Look pretty good. They look bloody beautiful. Let's give her a try. It's really nice. That's good. Nice, but the only thing is, this pizza sauce, not a big fan of it. I'll probably just use normal pizza sauce, but without garlic and herb like that one. But other than that, it's bloody nice. I just don't like that pizza sauce on the bottom. Other than that, it's all good. We'll see you on the next one.